Imagine a world where your earbuds are no longer just speakers for your music, but a pair of intelligent eyes and a clinical-grade health monitor tucked inside your ear canal. That is the reality Apple is preparing for 2026. While the world is still catching up to the AirPods Pro 3, a massive seismic shift is happening behind the closed doors of Apple Park. And today, we are diving deep into the absolute cutting-edge leaks surrounding the AirPods Pro 4. This isn't just an incremental update. This is arguably the most radical redesign in the history of the AirPods lineup since they first ditched the wires in 2016. We're talking about a device that bridges the gap between audio, health, and spatial computing in a way we've never seen before. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, let's get into the heart of why the 2026 AirPods Pro 4 are set to make every other pair of earbuds on the market look like relics from the past. The biggest bombshell coming from supply chain experts like Ming-Chi Kuo and Mark Gurman is the integration of infrared cameras. You heard that right, cameras inside your ears. But before you worry about privacy, these aren't for taking photos. These are part of Apple's visual intelligence ecosystem. By scanning the environment around you, these cameras will allow the AirPods Pro 4 to track your head movements with millimeter precision, creating a spatial audio experience that feels so real you'll forget you're wearing headphones. Imagine walking through a city and having Siri whisper directions based on exactly what you're looking at, or using hand gestures in midair to control your music without ever touching the stem. Under the hood, the AirPods Pro 4 will be powered by the legendary H3 chip, a silicon powerhouse designed specifically to handle the massive computational load of on-device AI. This isn't just about better sound. It's about neural audio. This chip will analyze your surroundings in real time, thousands of times per second, to not only cancel out noise, but to intelligently filter it. Imagine being at a crowded, noisy construction site, but hearing your phone call as if you were in a soundproof studio. The H3 chip also unlocks 24-bit lossless audio over a new proprietary wireless protocol, finally giving audiophiles the high-fidelity sound they've been demanding for years. And let's talk about the health revolution. The 2026 AirPods Pro 4 are rumored to include internal body temperature sensors and heart rate monitoring. Because the ear canal is a much more stable environment for biometric data than a wrist, these earbuds could actually provide more accurate health data than your Apple Watch. They will be able to detect the early onset of a fever or even alert you to potential cardiovascular issues during a workout. Apple is positioning the AirPods Pro 4 as a medical-grade wearable that just happens to play music. The design is also getting a sleek overhaul. We're looking at a shorter, more refined stem and a grip-fit silicone tip system that uses new materials to ensure they never fall out, no matter how intense your workout is. But the case is where things get truly futuristic. Rumors suggest a smart case featuring an OLED touch display. This would allow you to control your playback, check your heart rate, find your lost buds, and even see notifications without ever pulling your iPhone out of your pocket. It's a mini command center for your audio. Battery life is also seeing a massive jump, with the H3 chip's efficiency potentially pushing the total listening time to 40 hours with the case. As we move closer to the late 2026 release date, the hype is reaching a fever pitch. This is the year Apple stops making earbuds and starts making ear computers. Stay tuned as we continue to track every leak, every patent, and every rumor leading up to the grand reveal of the AirPods Pro 4. This is the future of audio, and it's sounding better than ever.